This car was once written off as scrap. Rust everywhere, paint gone, metal dying. But believe it or not, this is a 1967 Ford Mustang. And cars like this can be found for around $1,000. Most people would walk away. Some would sell it for parts. But what if this pile of rust could become a showroom beast again? This is not a repair. This is a full transformation. From extreme rust to factory-level perfection, every panel had to come off. Every bolt fought back. Years of rust don't leave quietly. This is where the real magic begins. Rust stripped, metal revealed. Layer by layer, the Mustang starts breathing again. At this stage, most people give up. But this car still had a heartbeat. Every mechanical part was cleaned, rebuilt, and brought back to spec. No shortcuts, no cosmetic tricks. This is the moment everything changes. Fresh paint, deep gloss, zero rust left behind. The inside tells the real story. From destroyed and dusty to clean, sharp, and classic. From a $1,000 level rust disaster to a showroom-worthy 1967 Ford Mustang. This is why restorations matter.